Today, we're diving into the Corsair RM1000e, a powerhouse of a power supply unit that's designed to deliver reliable and efficient performance while keeping noise levels to a minimum. This fully modular PSU comes packed with features that make it a top choice for any PC builder. First off, let's talk about its fully modular design. With the RM1000e, you only need to connect the cables that your system requires, reducing clutter and improving airflow within your PC case. This not only makes installation easier but also allows for a cleaner and more organized build. One standout feature of the RM1000e is its compliance with the Intel ATX 3.0 power standard. This means it's ready to support the latest PCIe Gen 5 platform and can withstand transient power spikes, ensuring stable and reliable power delivery to your components. But what about noise levels? Fear not, as Corsair has equipped the RM1000e with a 120mm rifle-bearing fan that operates with a specially calculated fan curve. This means even under full load, the fan remains remarkably quiet, keeping your system running smoothly without disturbing your peace and quiet. Another aspect worth mentioning is the use of 105° C-rated capacitors. These high-quality capacitors ensure steady and dependable power delivery, contributing to the overall reliability and longevity of the PSU. And let's not forget about modern standby compatibility. With the RM1000e, you can enjoy extremely fast wake-from-sleep times and improved low-load efficiency, enhancing the overall responsiveness and energy efficiency of your system. In conclusion, the Corsair RM1000e stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, low-noise power supply for their PC build. With its fully modular design, ATX 3.0 compliance, low-noise operation, high-quality capacitors, and modern standby support, it's hard to beat the RM1000e in terms of reliability, efficiency, and convenience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.